Hi, I'm Nick Cooper and you're watching Yuppie Money. Today I'm talking about negotiating with your credit card companies. There are three main items that you can negotiate with your credit card companies. The first of which is the date of payment. Now, if you're paid once a month and you're paid at the end of the month, then you'll want to pay your credit card bill at the end of the month or right at the beginning of the month. Or if you're paid every 2 weeks and it's more convenient for you to pay in the middle of the week, you can negotiate for that date with your credit card company as well. The second thing is an annual fee. Call up your credit card company and negotiate with them on the annual fee that they're charging you. Now, you typically see this annual charge on member benefit credit cards, ones that give you airline miles or cash back. Call up the credit card company, tell them that you're sick of paying the annual fee, you're a very loyal, active customer, and that you don't want to pay the annual fee anymore. And if you really push and you threaten to close your account if they don't reimburse you for that annual fee, oftentimes you'll find success from it. Now, the main issue to negotiate with your credit card companies about is your interest rate. These credit card companies will try and charge you 20% or more on your balance that you keep with them. Now, that's a ridiculous amount to charge on lending money. Most people don't realize that they're paying such exorbitant amounts for this money. Now, if you're a good credit card client, if you always make your payments on time and you put a lot of money or a lot of purchases on the card, that credit card company wants to keep you. They're making money on every purchase and they're making money on any balance that they're maintaining and lending you. Now, once again, call up the credit card company and ask to speak to someone about your interest rate. Now, they'll always push and try not lower the rate, but let them know that you're getting all of these other offers in the mail for other credit cards and that you're thinking of switching because you're sick of paying such a high rate. At this point, typically they'll transfer you to a manager, and that manager, if you tell them the same story that you're thinking of switching to another card with a better rate, they will lower your rate. All of my 3 credit cards that I have, I've lowered the interest rate on each of them by at least 8 to 10% from making continual phone calls. Now, it's important to know that they don't drop the rate initially by 8 to 10%. They'll drop it about 1% or 2% every time you make a call. So what I recommend is calling every 3 to 6 months until the rate is at about 9%. That's typically the lowest they'll go. So that's a great way to save some money on your credit cards and to make them more convenient for you. If you have any other questions, ideas, etc., please post them below. Thanks for watching Yuppie Money.